In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a dotted line in AutoCAD. Whether you're a novice or a bit more seasoned in using AutoCAD, learning this simple trick can be incredibly useful and can enhance the clarity and aesthetic of your drawings. Let's dive right into the process. The first step is to start by drawing your line as you normally would. You can use your preferred method to sketch a straight line, which will serve as the foundation before converting it into a dotted line. Once you've got the line drawn, it's time to customize it by adjusting the line type. To do this, you'll need to access the command line tool in AutoCAD. Type the command linetype directly into the command line and hit enter. This will prompt a new window to pop up that presents you with a list of all the available line types within your current drawing. Now, in this line type manager window, you have a couple of options. The beauty of AutoCAD is its flexibility. If you have a particular dotted line design that you've previously downloaded, you can import that line type right here. Perhaps you want a very specific pattern to match pre-existing work or to differentiate parts of your drawing. It's completely within your control. Alternatively, AutoCAD comes with a selection of default line types you can choose from. Browse through these options to find one that closely matches what you envision for your project. Once you've imported or selected the dotted line type you'd like to apply, it's time to see it in action on your drawing. Simply go back to your drawn line and select it. Now, navigate over to the Home tab at the top of your screen. Here in the Properties section, you'll notice a range of drop-down menus. One of these is dedicated to line type. It's found adjacent to options for color and line weight. Click on the line type drop-down menu. There, you should see the list of all the available line types, including the newly imported or selected dotted line pattern. Click on your desired dotted line option. Once selected, your drawn line updates immediately to showcase the dotted pattern. It's as simple as that. This method allows for a quick and efficient way to turn any regular line into a dotted one, offering a visual distinction and sophistication to your KD drawings. Whether you're drafting a design, preparing documentation, or simply wanting to make your drawings more visually compelling, knowing how to switch line types in AutoCAD is an essential skill. Thanks for tuning in and happy drawing!